Hello everyone. Today I'm excited to present BuildMate, an innovative project that advances multi-agent technology in two significant ways. First, we've developed a PyTorch-style multi-agent framework that makes implementing agent systems intuitive and flexible. Following PyTorch's design philosophy, our framework provides clean APIs for agent interaction and pipeline management, making it easier for developers to build and experiment with multi-agent systems. Second, we've built three distinct multi-agent systems for PC building recommendations. Our first system is a pipeline recommendation system, where specialized agents work in sequence. Starting with a planning agent that handles budget allocation, followed by component agents for each part, and finally a reducing agent for cost optimization. This pipeline ensures systematic, optimized recommendations. Our second system is the debate agent system, where agents represent different perspectives, like Intel versus AMD, and engage in structured debates to determine the best solutions. This approach ensures comprehensive consideration of all options through reasoned discussion. Our third system is a multi-agent evaluation framework. Unlike traditional single LLM evaluations, we employ multiple specialized critic agents who debate and evaluate recommendations from different aspects: technical accuracy, cost efficiency, and user requirement fulfillment. This evaluation system ensures our recommendations are not just technically sound, but truly meet user needs. These systems overcome ChatGPT's limitations by incorporating real-time market data from popular forums like PTT and Mobile01, along with current pricing from retailers. Using RAG technology, we ground our recommendations in the latest community knowledge. Technically, we've implemented these using cutting-edge LLMs, GPT-4 and Gemini 1.5 Pro, leveraging various technologies including our custom framework, LangChain, and LangGraph. Our self-refining evaluation process continuously improves response quality through multi-agent collaboration. What sets BuildMate apart is this comprehensive approach, advancing both framework development and practical applications in PC building recommendation systems, all while staying current with real-world market conditions. Now, let me demonstrate these systems in action.